What's going on? I haven't done a live on. Hold up. Hold up. Dun, 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 dun. Post this on Twitter real quick, guys. Live on YouTube talking about Bitcoin. This is funny, guys. This is funny. This is funny. What's going on, guys? Smash that like button. Smash that like button. We got 3 viewers. Can we get to 3 likes? I love you guys. Let me put on, oh my god, let me put on my headphones. What's going on, guys? I'm gonna wait till we get a couple viewers in here, and then we'll start to look at these charts. I did take a position earlier here at this key area. Got out over here around 408. So it was a pretty decent trade. I can't lie. I'm pretty happy with the results. But let's see what's going on, guys. Let's see what is going on. Just waiting to get a little bit of more viewers in here till I start doing stuff. But how's your guys' day going? Hope you guys are doing good. What's going on, BU? Hope you're doing good, bro. It's nice to see you in my live stream again. I was thinking of actually like moving to Twitch. What do you guys think? Instead of YouTube, just going to Twitch. Would you guys follow me on Twitch? I'm doing good, by the way, bro. I'm doing actually great. You saw, I mean, the last 2 videos that I posted about VET, I've been getting some hate, you know, but it's totally normal in this type of market of people hating when, you know my psychology about trading. And I have a certain strategy and certain mentality when I'm entering exiting trades. And like what no one really realizes is that this market is heavily manipulated. And why do you want to be stuck in positions with all this manipulation going on? Nathay, send me some Bitcoin, please. How about, can you send me some Bitcoin? That'd be nice. I'll thank you after. Is that good idea? Is what a good idea? Working on some boring stuff. So nice to have this distraction. That's good. I'm glad I can distract you from, you know, the boring stuff you're working on. But yeah, as I said, I have been getting some hate lately, and you know, I've gotten hate before in life, and this hate doesn't really faze me because I know that people are just, man, it's kind of sad to see how many people are just fucking manipulated, just not even manipulated, like just brainwashed by like social media enthusiasts or analysts that say, oh, we're going up, we're going this, we're going that. You know, I tell it as it is. This market is fucking bullshit. You know what I mean? This market is literally bullshit. Crypto is bullshit. I hate to say it, but there's so many fucking whales that just manipulate everything. You see this price going down. Look. You see this price making a huge move down here, and then boom, it's just bought up. And this is just right here. This move is just trapping all these buyers to think that this is the bottom and we're going up. You know what I mean? You have a nice day too, Nathay. So you see these people buying. You see this breakout. Everyone's like, oh, we're breaking out. Oh, we're going to go up. But little do you realize that that's just whales, man. That's just whales, like, just screwing everyone over. The only one video that I did post that we're going to the moon is, I think, did I say VT is going to the moon? No, The one video that I did post going to the moon is Dogecoin, and that was when Dogecoin was around like 5 cents or 4.5 cents, and it did almost double in size, which I did take a position at a swing trade actually when it was around 4.5 cents, and I did get out at 8 cents. So like that was one, because I did see a clear cup and handle forming on Dogecoin, and it wasn't even Dogecoin. It was most of the coins were forming cup and handles. So yeah, that's why I did say Dogecoin is going to the moon, because it literally almost went up 100, it almost practically went up 100% from when I posted the video. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, Twitch. Yeah, I'm probably gonna switch to Twitch. Ooh, look at that rhyme. Switch to Twitch. Yeah, I'm probably gonna make a switch to Twitch eventually, because I think I could get a bigger following there, and I'm here to help you guys. I'm literally here to help you guys. I'm not a millionaire, okay? I'm not trying to sell you false information, which one day don't get me wrong, one day I want to release a course, and one day I want to get out of crypto. My plan is to use this time in crypto and the knowledge that I have to become a millionaire. And once I am a millionaire, I want to get out of crypto. I'm going to transition my YouTube channel into something more of like investing and real estate and vlogs and stuff like that. I'm going to start showing my face and everything once this is a bigger channel. That's my plan. But right now it's just giving you guys ideas of, I'm not going to exactly give you my specific positions and when I'm entering and exiting, but I'm giving you guys a general idea of when it would be a good time to enter into a market and when it would be a good time to exit. And clearly, as I said before, we were literally near a top 6 cents. I don't know if you guys are following me on Twitter, but I posted this on Twitter and I told everybody, yo, like, we're about to take a fat dump. You know what I mean? And look at where we are now. We're sitting at 4 cents. So, yeah. It's easy to promise to the moon every video and gain viewers that way. It is. It is, but I'm a realist. I'm not trying to gain fake subscribers. I'm trying to gain a real following and a real, like, loyal, like, I would say maybe a fan base and gain people's trust rather than filling their heads with false information. Like, someone on my last video, not the one I just posted last night, but the one before that, was like, why are you feeding false information to people? And I'm just like, how am I feeding false information to people? We're clearly in a downtrend. We're clearly in a bear market right now. And where do you see us going to 6 cents right now? Do you see us going to 6 cents? You know what I mean? And it's just like, get the hell out of here, man. Just so many people they just think they know what they're fucking doing, and they just don't know shit, you know? I'll watch you on Twitch, but would prefer YouTube just because I use it more. Yeah, okay. I mean, maybe I'll do both. Maybe I'll do like one live stream on YouTube and then one live stream on on Twitch. You made some good money on Doge. That's good. That's good. I actually made really good money as well on Doge. You know, I made a couple G's on that. I'm in so much trouble. There's no other way to do this. What do you mean? You're in so much trouble. How are you in trouble? How much is 0.1 Bitcoin? 0.1 Bitcoin? Oof. That might be a little over my budget, man. I don't think I can help you with that. Maybe I could send you like $50. I mean, I'm not that rich yet. But I have made a decent amount of money with crypto in the amount of time that I've been in crypto. I'm trying to climb those leaderboards on Binance, on futures trading. I'm trying to climb those leaderboards. I think the top person on futures has like a total earnings of like 2.3 million or something like that. I was looking at it today. I didn't even know there was a leaderboard on Binance, but on Binance futures. But you have to remember, okay, guys, when you see Binance fees extremely low, I tweeted this earlier. When you see Binance fees extremely low, that means some shit is about to go down. Believe me, I've seen it. Crypto for many people is an endorphin. That's true. I agree with you. It is. Hold on. I want to change my thumbnail. But I'm just gonna change it to Vechain. No, but I put the title as. But I am on Vechain. Okay, I'm gonna change the title. What is happening with Vechain? Guys, the only reason why I talk about Vechain a lot is because it's a coin that I trade on a daily basis. So, yeah, guys, that's why I talk about Vechain. Did it update? Yeah, I think it updated. Did it? Yeah, it updated. Let's see. What do you think about crypto.cpm Crow? They burned 70 billion tokens. 70 billion tokens of what? CRO? Is that a coin? I'm sorry, like I don't know every coin. I try to broaden my my knowledge of every single coin. I don't look at every single coin just because there's literally a million coins. But if you want me to look at a coin here, I can look at a coin. But if I'm going to be completely honest, most of the coins are in the same direction. And don't get fooled by Bitcoin dominance going down. Just because Bitcoin dominance is going down, people think, oh, alts they're going to go on a run. You know what I mean? It doesn't work like that, guys. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is an important factor for long-term general velocity of certain coins. But it doesn't mean that just because Bitcoin dominance goes to 59%, alts are just going to go insane. You know, Bitcoin dominance can go down, it can drop down to 59%. And that's just people taking their money out of the market. You know what I mean? So I wouldn't be fooled by Bitcoin dominance. And yeah, just don't get fooled, okay? And guys, I know that a lot of you probably follow a lot of people on Twitter and look at hashtags and stuff like that, because I was one of those people before. Don't get me wrong. I used to look at hashtags and I used to try to take advice from people I didn't even know. And what you have to remember is that a majority of these people that are feeding you this advice, that have these successful YouTube channels, they don't even trade themselves. You know, a lot of these people are scammers. They just feed you information that they've learned from a course, and they tell you, oh, this is where we're going. Like, this is what I'm gonna do. And some of them don't even do what they say they're gonna do. You know what I mean? And people that say they're day traders are, man, day trading is a hard endeavor, okay? Like, the majority of day traders only make like a 20-25% return annually. And you see all these day traders saying, oh, I'm making $1,000 a day. I'm making $500 a day. You know what I mean? And these day traders are saying they're making 1 to 2 to 3% a day, okay? If they're making 3% a day, that's like 1,000% a year annually. You know, if they were making this much money, they'd be hedge funds, you know, would be hiring them to run their portfolios. You know what I mean? There's no way these crypto millionaires are making that much money a day. Don't get me wrong. I've had my days. I've had my days where I've made a couple G's. You know what I mean? I made a couple G's in a day, and that was, okay. If I'm gonna be completely honest, the most I've made day trading, scalping, day trading, okay, was like I did like 6 hours straight of day trading / scalping, and I did 25 trades in about, it wasn't 6 hours, I think it was 4 hours or 5 hours. So I did 25 trades in 4 to 5 hours, and I took 22, I lost 3 out of 25, and I won 20, sorry, I'm doing the math wrong. I won 22 out of 25 trades, and I lost 3 out of 25. And that day I made about $800. And I wasn't playing with a lot of money. I was playing with maybe anywhere from 1 to 4 or 5K per trade on that day. But I don't have those days every day. You know what I mean? Because when you do that, it gets overwhelming to you. And yeah, you get burnt out sometimes. But those type of statistics that I had in that day are highly unlikely for your typical day trader to take 25 trades in one day and have 22 out of 25 trades success. Usually day traders take like 5 or 6 trades a day. You know what I mean? And they're really patient. Sometimes I'm impatient about my entries, but sometimes I'm in and out. Sometimes I'll do a trade and get in, and like 30 seconds later I'll get out of a trade. So that's what I do. Eventually I'm going to do some live trades for you. I have like a series that I might create where I'm going to try to turn $1,000 into $10,000, and then 10,000 into 100, and then 100 into 1,000,000. I'm going to do that series eventually, but I need more capital to do that. And I need more experience before, I turn $100 into 1,000, and 1,000 into 10, and then 10 into 100, and then 100 into 1,000,000. I need more experience before that. And I'm not here to tell you that. I'm not here to lie. I'm being honest with you guys. I was thinking about that. They are making, literally, so many people are not even good at trading, and they're making more money from feeding you information that they've learned from a course, And don't get me wrong, I'm one of those people that I've taken a course myself. I obviously wanted to learn technical analysis. I've wanted to learn more about crypto. I'm still learning every day. I'm watching videos, looking up so many things of diversifying my strategies. But the thing about the internet is like you can't really find anything that really tells you how to trade. There's no one that actually posts live trades for you and tells you their thought process within the trade. It just doesn't exist. And that's when yesterday I was thinking to myself, you know what? This is fucking bullshit. You know what I mean? All these fucking people, they're claiming to make all this money, and they don't even fucking show you how to trade. You know what I mean? It's fucking bullshit. They don't even show you. They don't even tell you when they're going to trade. I remember doing a live trade with you guys probably twice, and I took 2 trades. You know what I mean? And I said, hey, I'm getting in right now. And I literally had to end the stream because I was like in a $40,000 position. You know what I mean? And I didn't want to get rolled in that position, which that day actually Binance crashed, and I was kind of tripping out because I was like in a really, really extremely big position. And futures, I trade with futures crashed, and I was like tripping, but it came back up, and I did make a great profit that day. Do you think Vechain is a good long-term investment? I do think Vechain will probably hit 10 to 20 cents, maybe even $1, maybe, but that would take quite a while. But I do believe personally that this is just a pullback. This whole correction right now is a pullback, and I do see Vechain potentially going to what I said before, 3 cents to 2.8 cents, I believe. But I could be wrong. Okay, we could, as I posted yesterday, we're in this triangle right now. Okay, we're in this symmetrical triangle here. We broke out, which I did post a comment. I said this could be a fake out. I posted on the video, and we could see down here, retest here, and then we could break up. But it's just not likely, guys. It's not likely. Okay, it's not likely because Bitcoin, I really, really, really feel, is going to test 40K. It has to. You know what I mean? But if it doesn't, then I'm wrong. I'm going to admit that I'm wrong. But from this trade here, look, I literally said this. I said this in yesterday's video, okay? I said we are right here. When I made this video yesterday, we are right here, okay? I said we're going to see maybe a retest of here, go back up here, test this area, which we did, and we clearly faked out here. We trapped a lot of buyers here, the whales. And then now we're going, man, you know what? Sometimes I get scared about telling you some information. I get scared that some whales. Yeah. Here, just put it here. Thanks. I'll try it. Sometimes, like I said, I get scared because I feel like the information that I'm giving you guys is like, because I give you guys short term and long term, and a majority of my calls have been extremely accurate. You know what I mean? And I feel like one of these days, man, it scares me. Like someone's gonna like knock on my door and say, like, what the hell are you doing? You know? You never know. You honestly never know. So if I disappear one day, you guys, I apologize in advance. Someone I might be, I might be rickrolled. But as you can see, guys, I clearly predicted this. Why the hell are people disliking my videos? Why the hell am I getting comments of bullshit? You know what I mean? People saying bullshit in my comments. Be you. I'm sure you'll read my comments, man, and you've seen the bullshit I've had in my comments. I tell people this, and I get dislikes because I'm bearish. And look at it, I literally predicted this yesterday. If you had literally listened to me bought here, you would have made profit. You would have made a great 12% profit if you had just listened to watch my video, bought here, and look, I said we're gonna retest here, maybe break out, which we did. Look at these lines. See these lines here? These white lines? This is where I laddered my shorts today and yesterday. I bought here to short, I laddered here, and I laddered here. You know what I'm saying? What's going on, Tristan? So I laddered here, and I laddered here. Yeah, I didn't get filled here. Yeah, I didn't get filled here, but I did get filled here. And look, I already got out of my position here. I told you before, I'm not into fucking holding. You know what I mean? It's just not my thing. But as I said before, guys, I'm literally getting hate on YouTube. I'm getting people DMing me on Twitter saying, what the fuck? Like, why are you saying this shit? Why are you feeding people lies? And I'm just like, who the fuck are you to tell me what I'm doing? You know what I mean? I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say isn't financial advice. All I'm doing is showing you possibilities and things that I take myself. You know what I mean? That I got in a position here yesterday. You know what I'm saying? I got out here. I got in a position here. I already got out. I probably should have, chased here. But then again, I'm not greedy. I'm not fucking greedy. You know what I mean? And that's what the point that I'm trying to make to all of you, you know what I'm saying, is don't get fucking greedy. There's no point of getting greedy. This crypto market is going to be around a long time. And if you want to get greedy, wait till the fucking bottom. You know what I mean? Wait till the fucking dip. Wait till the fucking dip, believe me. Wait till the dip, load up, and then do a fucking long ass swing trade. But even when it goes to 7 cents or 6 cents again or 8 cents or 10 cents, take some profits. You know what I mean? Take some fucking profits. Oof. I maybe got out a little too early. I wanted to actually rebuy here on this retest, but I started the live stream, and when I do live streams, I try and not do streams or do trades while I'm in a stream. Yeah, I try to not do trades while I'm in a stream. I did once, or twice maybe, but I try to avoid entering trades when I'm streaming, because when I trade, I need to be extremely focused. And when I'm not extremely focused, I potentially lose on making profits. But guys, I always draw these channels. See these? Every time you see like some type of area where it's hard to break out. When we're on a downtrend and you see this happening, this is where you want to ladder. You want to ladder in these places. This is why I do this, because look, we had trouble breaking here before. So I put this as a key area of potentially, but I'm going to give you guys a little lesson of how I trade, okay? I drew this here, okay? We dipped here, okay? We retested this. And this is where I laddered my first short, okay? If you look here, also, you look at this RSI, it's pretty topped off, but I always wait to get into positions. You see this RSI topped off, and you would think, oh, maybe, it's time to go down, but look, boom, we go down and then we go up. And look, now we have a high there, a lower high, and this is where I started thinking to myself, okay, maybe I need to start laddering my shorts, okay? And I looked at other time frames, 8 minute, 10 minutes. I look at higher time frames. You know what I'm saying? People think I only use 1 minute charts, which I do use 1 minute charts a lot actually. And the 1 minute charts, the reason why I use 1 minute charts is because I see a lot of opportunities that other people don't on 1 minute charts. It tells me like short term where we're going. So I like to, you know me, I'm a day trader, scalper, day trader. I like to get in and out of positions. But the same concept applies for a bigger time frame. If you look at the bigger time frame, it works exactly like the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, guys, I saw this happening. I entered my shorts. You know, I got in here, and I got in here. We came here. I actually did not exit this position. This was actually a bad trade for me, but I did actually stack up more on this retest of this symmetrical triangle. I stacked more, and then I got out here with an even bigger profit. So the thing about day trading is when you know or swing trading, just trading in general, when you know the general direction of a market, you'll know like, man, I knew this was bearish. I knew this whole swing up was not going to last. I knew it. You know what I mean? And there was one guy that came onto my YouTube video and said, oh, everyone's longing now. Like Vechain is going to the fucking moon. Everyone's longing. And if you're watching this guy, I'm sorry to call you out on this, but he said, oh, everyone's longing right now. Everyone look at the Binance futures longs. Everyone's stacking up. No, my fucking ass. They're not stacking. They're stacking up to get liquidated. That's what they're doing. You know what I mean? They're stacking up to get liquidated. And you guys have to realize that, man, stacking up to get liquidated it's so fucking obvious, guys. Excuse my French, but it's so fucking obvious. These plays, if you just know the market, if you know the market psychology, you know greed, guys. All this here, okay? You see this swing high. This is greed. This is whales taking these greedy people out of the market. This again is greed, okay? This is all fucking greed. On a downtrend, when you see impulse waves up, that's greed, okay? When you see people getting out, that's people being smart and whales starting to short, okay? That's what it is on a downtrend. We're clearly in a downtrend, guys. I don't know what to tell you. You look at the fucking Bitcoin chart, okay? Let's look at this 2-hour chart, right? Look at this. Where's the strength? Where is the fucking strength? Look at this 2-hour chart. We're about to get a death cross on the 2-hour chart on Bitcoin. Okay? Look at this fucking greed. This is greed, guys. This is greed. This is retail investors. Okay? Retail investors thinking, oh, we just double bottomed and now we're going up. You know what I mean? Oh, we hit a double. You see people on YouTube. Oh, look at here. We have a double bottom, guys. We're fucking mooning. We're going to the moon. No, guys. We're not. I hate to say it. I don't mean to be that person. But I did tell you yesterday, we did close this 12-hour candle. Sorry. We did close this 12-hour candle below this 21 EMA. Sorry, this 9 EMA. And look at what's happening on this 12-hour candle. Nothing. Absolutely nothing, guys. Okay? Nothing. Okay? I'm sorry that you're getting trapped. I'm sorry that you might be losing money. I'm sorry, but you need to realize that you need to stop watching YouTube videos. You need to stop going on Twitter. Okay, guys? You need to a death cross is a very bearish indicator that we're going down long term, which is a 2-hour chart is pretty bearish, my friend. So like I said, Bitcoin is probably gonna go to 41K, even lower. It could go to maybe 36, 38K. Okay. So as I'm saying, guys, look at this chart that I drew. I predicted this, guys. People are scared to predict short term. Okay, on YouTube. No, the only people that predict is long term. Okay, people are scared to predict short term because people do not know what's going on short term. But I have the balls out of all these YouTubers in the fucking world to post short term and long term analysis and literally be correct with it. A lot of people are like, oh, short term, Bitcoin's gonna go to 52K. Bitcoin's going to 56K. Oh, we held above this level. Like Vechain, we held up above fucking, let's see, what is it on Bitcoin? We held up against 88.00088 or 0.0089. Oh, we broke out of this channel. We held on the 4-hour candle. My fucking ass, we did. You know what I mean? My fucking ass. It doesn't mean shit. Just because we hold above this and on a 4-hour chart or a 2-hour chart or a 1-hour chart, oh, well, amazing. We broke out of this symmetrical triangle. We retested it. We held above this. But where are we now? You know what I mean? Where are we now? We held above this. Oh, what the fuck? Where are we now? Where are these? Where are all these YouTubers right now? All these Twitter enthusiasts. Twitter enthusiasts talking. Where are they? What are they saying now? Oh, guys, actually, this is the bear scenario, guys. We might just we might just go down here. That was just a probability that we're going up. Yeah, suck it. Okay, that's all I have to say. Suck it. Suck it. Anyways, sorry. Let's see. I'm gonna read the comments. Sorry, I was ranting. I was pretty angry about my last two videos, about the amount of stupidity that I have in my comments. I have too much stupidity in my comments, and I'm fucking tired of it. I'm tired of this fucking bullshit of stupidity in my comments. People trying to tell me that what I'm analyzing or what I'm saying, I'm trying to scare people. Like, am I scaring you guys? You know what I mean? Am I scaring you? I don't think so. Let's see. Everything you've said so far has happened, which is why I'm watching. Thank you, BU. Thank you. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to drop. That day is coming. Believe me. Hi, man. As Israeli, I can advise you to ignore who are annoying and live your life. Of course, man. It's just frustrating sometimes. You know what I mean? Like, I just started this YouTube channel, like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, not even a month ago. And I'm gaining some momentum. I have 150 subscribers, which is thank you everybody for subscribing to me. I didn't expect to get 100 subscribers in this amount of time, but thank you. Ignore the haters. Keep posting realistic day-to-day crypto analysis. That's what I'm doing, Tristan. You already know, man. I know you watch my videos. Do you believe in the V project? What's a V project? Vechain? Death Cross. I told you what that is. Where do you think it's smart to buy Bitcoin? Personally, I don't think it's necessarily smart to buy Bitcoin anywhere, but I would always ladder your buys. You always want a dollar cost average. So a good area to start laddering your buys is maybe 41K. The thing is, why I say ladder your buys is you don't want to be stuck in one position. You don't want to be stuck you want to like dollar cost average. So let's say you get Bitcoin, okay? Let's say you get Bitcoin at 41, okay? You get Bitcoin at 39, okay? You get Bitcoin at 37, and then you get Bitcoin at 35. Sorry about my drawing, okay? This average here, I don't know what the exact price, but if you get at 41, 39, 37, 35, your average would probably be around 30, 36.8, I would say. Please, someone do the math. Tell me if I was right. 36.8, 41 plus 39 plus 37 plus 35. Wait, no, that's a little too high. 37.2. Someone do the math and tell me it. Do these four numbers, 39, 37, and 35, and tell me what the math is. 41, 39, 37, 35. Whoever tells me the answer or the average price of this gets a cookie. I'm waiting. Who's going to do it first? Who's going to help me? Yo, by the way, we got 17 viewers and we only got 6 likes on the stream. What's wrong with you guys? Let's get this stream to 20 likes. Come on. Push me out there. Give me some recognition. I'm trying to help people out there. I'm trying to do good in this world. Okay? So smash that like button right now. It's at 6 likes. I'm not going to continue talking about crypto until it gets to 15 likes. 15 likes. 38. Okay, I was close. 37. I said 37 something. 7 likes. Let's get to 15. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to 15. I'm at 7 likes. It takes 2 seconds to hit that like button. Get me on like the recommended. Help me get some name out. Help me get my name out, guys. All right. That'd be great. 12 likes. There you go. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Man, when I say give me likes and you guys come through like this, man, it means the world. It means the world. Thank you so much. We're at 12 likes. Can we get to 15? Can we get to 15? 13. 2 more. 2 more likes. 2 more likes. We're at 13 likes. Give me to 15 likes, guys. Give me to 15 likes. 14 likes. 1 more like. 1 more like. 1 more like. Who's not liking the video? I need 1 more like. 1 more like before I continue this. 1 more like. Come on. There you go. Let's go. Poggers in the chat. I feel like a Twitch streamer now. Poggers in the chat. Okay. Let's see. Where was I? Yeah, okay. So as I was saying, guys, you want a dollar cost average and get an average price of Bitcoin rather than, and I would even set orders low as 32. And if you hit those orders, you hit them. If you don't, you move on and start and just buy with strength. You know what I mean? That's what you want to do. Sorry, I'm gonna start reading these comments. I've been a little distracted. I can't see how it doesn't go down a bit more. Yeah, that's true, BU. Okay, Jari Devos, is it going to 2 cents? I don't think it's going to 2 cents exactly. That was kind of like, a kind of clickbaity thumbnail. Sorry, I apologize in advance. But I do see it potentially going to 3 cents, even 2.8, and the lowest I could see it going potentially is around 2.5 to 2.6. So I would ladder your guys' buys for a swing position or even something long term from 3, even 3.2. I would start laddering from 3.2. Go from 3.2 down to 2.8, 2.7. Okay. But then again, guys, this isn't financial advice. What are your thoughts on Litecoin? The YouTubers think it's going to up a lot. Okay. My thoughts on Litecoin, I like Litecoin. I bought Litecoin a long time ago, like when it was low. And I'm still holding that position, which, guys, I know I'm being a little bit a hypocrite here and saying don't hold. But when you get a coin at literally like the bottom, it's okay to hold. When you get it, like if you bought Vechain at 1 cent, it's okay to hold. If you bought Vechain, you bought Litecoin at under $100, it's okay to hold. You know what I mean? Those are times where it's okay to hold. But when you're trying to get into this market and you're trying to buy something to hold now, just wait for a fucking dip. Let's see. But yeah, my thoughts on Litecoin is I do believe it's undervalued right now, and I do believe it's probably going to be worth at least 10 to 15% of Bitcoin when Bitcoin is at a high. So if you see Bitcoin at like 100K, when you see Bitcoin at 100K, I do believe Litecoin is going to be at least 10% of that one day. The truth hurts. Yeah, it does. It really does. You're a scary guy. Am I? I don't think I'm that scary. In the same way that you shake off bad trades, you got to shake off the negativity and stupid people. Just concentrate on what you're doing. Thank you. Thank you, BU. Thank you. I'm glad that you come in here and you're always positive. You're literally one of my loyal followers. So I appreciate that a lot. Okay. Let's see. What are your thoughts on Reef? Oof. I was looking at Reef the other day. It was a bit overbought. Like I think it went up way too high. Is this the coin that went up like crazy high on the daily? Let me see. Yeah, it did. Holy shit. What the hell? No, actually I didn't look at this coin. Reef is, it's too hard to tell exactly what's going on with Reef, but if I do, this clearly looks like some type of 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe it's a fifth wave. If I look at Elliott wave, this was clearly some fucking, this is what happens with new coins. They just pump it and dump it. But this clearly looks like maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, but it is looking a little sketchy for a third wave, just because we're only wicked into this territory. But I do see maybe if this is not this, then this is just one wave up. This could be just one wave up, and then we see a retracement to 3, 4, 5. But to get to this all-time high at 30 cents, that's going to take a hot minute for sure. But if this is the first wave and we're now correcting for a second wave, then I do see this potentially, if you want to, ladder your buys into this, we are at the golden pocket, which most coins are actually, they hit their golden pockets and they're not holding. Not until you see a clear breakout through this downtrend, I could see this trading in, hold on, let me just draw a channel. I could see this holding into within this channel here, okay, and bouncing up and back until Bitcoin makes a move. Because once Bitcoin makes a move, you're going to see these alts literally go 100x. Okay, guys? So if you guys are scared to get in a position, or you guys are scared to invest Just wait. Like now, just wait, okay? Wait. The time is coming. Start lading your buys even down to here. You can see Reef go back down to 1 cent, okay? 1.28 cents. I honestly, personally, but usually buy at these areas on retracements to go long. So, yeah, these are usually areas, guys, where I'm going long here in these areas. I don't believe in the golden pocket as much as most people believe in it. I see this potentially going down here, forming some type of maybe falling wedge, which probably on a 12-hour time frame. No, it doesn't look like a falling wedge yet. It's clearly a downwards channel that's going to probably go like this, okay? Have some type of correction like this, and fall into here, and then we go up. That's my personal opinion on Reef. I could see it, this being the first wave up. This clearly looks like one wave up, and then we're going to make two, which I could give you a target for that. If we do, depending on where we hit, I could see us the next target for this on the next like bull run. If we do hit the golden pocket, your next target, let's say we're going here 786, let's go in between here. Your next target would be around 10 cents or 10 cents. 10 cents is where you would want to maybe consider taking profits, or even anywhere in this area right here is where you want to take profits. If you do catch the bottom, anywhere from 8 to 10 cents is where you don't want to get greedy and keep chasing, and then buy the pullback, which if we do break this, we're definitely going to maybe retest here to the 5.7 cents. We might go here and retest here and then go up. And that would be actually great for a first wave here, second wave here, third wave here, fourth wave here, and then a fifth wave to here, or maybe even here, or maybe this third wave goes here, and then we retest here, and then we go up. You know, it's too early to tell right now. I don't want to give you guys some crazy price predictions. But that's where I see this going. Yo, but if you guys are new, smash that like button, okay? Smash that like button. We're at 16 likes. Can we get to 20? If we can get to 20, I would love you guys all, okay? Like, I already love you guys, but I'd love you more. But yeah, let's see. What else are people saying? I wish I had sold my BTC at 0.038. Said no one ever. I don't understand. I don't think Bitcoin was ever at 3 cents. Can I marry you? I like you honestly. Are you a girl or a guy? Do you own 88? I do not own 88, but I'll probably pick some up. I actually I had 88 a long time ago, back in 2017, which I didn't really know anything about crypto, but I bought 88 at like 5 cents or 10 cents or something like that, which I'm not even mad about that. I didn't hold that. You know, I actually did trade that a few times, made a few profits. Do you see Cardano going to $100 in 5 years? Oof, I don't know, to be honest. I'll look at, can you do short-term analysis on 88? Okay. Because you guys asked, okay? Because you guys asked. Actually, get the stream to 20 likes. It's at 17 likes right now. Get my stream to 20 likes, and I'll look at ADA. It's at 17 likes. It's at 17 likes, guys. When it's at 20 likes, I'm gonna do a technical analysis on ADA. You're a girl. Oh, nice. Marry you. I don't know about that. That's a big commitment. I'm actually a good looking guy. If you guys want to see, are you guys curious to see what I look like? I'm not going to show you guys right now, but I'll give you guys my Instagram. If you guys want to follow me here, I'm going to tell you guys my Instagram, okay? That's my Instagram, guys. If you guys want to follow me, that's my personal Instagram. You can see what I look like. I'm not going to show my face yet until I have like a bigger following, but eventually I'll show you guys my face for sure. I'll show you my face in every stream actually, but right now I look like ass. So yeah, if you want to see a face reveal, just go to my Instagram. Honestly. Okay, we're at 18 likes. Okay, I'll go to 88. I won't be mean. Actually, I think I already have 88 up here. Okay. Oof. 88 made some. Ooh, 88 is doing its own little thing here. Damn. 88 is doing its own little thing right here. Ooh, but ADA does have, oof, man, on the daily, it's not looking good for ADA. This could have just been some huge investor that put a couple billion, because ADA has been quite hyped. Uh, there is some bearish divergence on this chart as we're making higher highs. We are diverging on the higher time frames. And when you see this type of divergence on a higher time frame, I would be extremely cautious of getting in, especially getting into any longs. On the weekly though, it's quite interesting. We are making higher highs, but man, we're at 95 on the RSI, and we are on 98 on the MFI. So man, I think this could have been the last. Let me look at a lower time frame, maybe a 1 hour chart. I think this could be the last. Look, guys, I already drew levels here. These are levels of sorry, I had a brain fart right now. These are key levels here of support and resistance. And let's see ADA. I like that 2 hour chart, 12-hour chart. Okay. ADA clearly, even on the 12-hour chart, we're having extreme bearish divergence. I do see ADA retesting. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think ADA is pretty topped off. I think it made that last run to give people hope to FOMO into this and think we're going up more. But but ADA definitely does look bullish to me. Even though it needs a correction, you could maybe only see a small correction, because if Bitcoin's done correcting, you could see, if personally I were getting into ADA, I would probably buy off of I wouldn't even know if I would ladder my buy here at 93 cents. I think that if Bitcoin dumps, we could see a massive dump, just because this was clearly artificially pumped. This is what I don't like about some coins and just crypto in general. This is why, like, in 1-2 years, I want to get out of crypto, and I want to like change my YouTube channel into more of investing into real estate and different things, and start vlogging and all that stuff. That's my long-term plan for this YouTube channel. But yeah, this is why I don't like crypto, guys, because stuff like this, you know what I mean? The only way you would ever know that this is going to happen while Bitcoin is going down is because of some manipulation, and you need to be part of that group to know what's happening. And what this group is doing, it's making everyone think that we're going up. And look, ever since the top right here, we've already gone down 7%. You know what I mean? The lowest we went down was 11%. See, this is why I don't like pump and dumps. But yeah, guys, this is let's see where I think this could go down to 80 cents. The thing is, because this is so artificially pumped, I don't know exactly what the plan is for these whales, but they could keep the price up, and we could maybe only see a 3.8 retracement to retest this 95 cents while Bitcoin dumps, because we've made higher highs. But what I do see potentially happening is we basically will break this level and then retest this previous low here at 67 cents. And I would say maybe this might not even go to the golden pocket. It might bounce from 67 cents just because of this artificial pump. Isn't pump, bro? There's smart contracts coming. Yeah, I understand that. But just because there's smart contracts coming, you can't change the overall trend of a coin. Just because there's some crazy news, like look at Doge, for instance. How many times did Elon Musk tweet in the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and Doge it went to 8 cents, and look where it's now. It's at 5 cents. No matter what type of news or something that's coming out, when you see Bitcoin dominance at 61%, you will see these coins dump no matter what type of news they have. Like Litecoin has good news. You know what I mean? Vet has good news. But look at the coins. Yeah, they're going to pump like crazy eventually. You know what I'm saying? So, but that time isn't now yet. I could see ADA go to $10, $20, but that time isn't here yet. It really isn't. You know what I mean? The time for that to happen, like right now, where we are in Bitcoin right now, is we need to establish a higher low, and build a strong support at that level, which could be 41K, 40K, 39K, 38, 37K. Build a new low, and from there we're going to take off. Okay? But until we do that and Bitcoin doesn't have any stability, we're going to, altcoins, yeah, maybe they'll go up a little bit, maybe they'll make a little bit of run, but realistically they're not going anywhere, guys. Let's see where VET is right now. Let's see where it is. Ooh, it's getting near that that retest of this trend line. There was a pump group that did tonight. Yeah, isn't pump, bro? Okay, no. A dual pumped heard from hype. It hasn't proven. Yeah, true. Yeah, that's the thing. When coins are artificially pumped, they just dump. I don't think you guys understand that. When an overall trend is a downtrend and you see a coin pumping, it's gonna dump just as hard. So no, it doesn't matter. Maybe you get lucky and catch that pump, but long term, it's going to. Well, I wouldn't say long term, but like midterm, it's going down. Sold all 88 at its high about 5 hours ago. Good shit, Tristan. Good shit. High five, man. High five. I'm proud of you, Tristan. Good plan. Can you take a look at CRO? Okay, I'll take a look at CRO. Since just because you've been watching this for a long time, I'll do CRO. CRO on which exchange? Which exchange? Because I don't know which exchange you're using. Abdul, that's up to you, man. If you're in for the long term, GG's. Which exchange, my friend? I'll look at HOT. I remember that coin back in in 2017. I heard about it. That shit was like 0.0001 cents. I just want to see CRO, which exchange? Binance? I don't see it here. CRO, are you sure that's the abbreviation? Because I don't see it. I don't see Binance here. What's the name of the actual coin? CRO? This one? No, wait. CRV. CRO. COS. I don't see it, my friend. I do not see it. I'll get back to CRO. Just give me Bittrex. Hold on. CRO. Bittrex. Okay. Ooh, crypto.com. Oh yeah, they did release a coin. I remember about that. Oh shit, this is Bitcoin. I don't like looking at Bitcoin. CRO. Bittrex. Okay. Let's see what's going on with CRO. See, this is another coin that is still, it's in a moment of price discovery. This clearly looks like a first wave here. Ooh, that's a heavy retracement on that. Let's see where it retraced. See, guys, this is why I buy at this area. Look, this is like an area. If you guys, if any of you know anything about Fibonacci, you would see. Look at this 886, man. That's a level that no one tells you about. 886. Look at where it bounced off. 886. If you had bought this coin at 886, you'd be chilling right now. Should I short VET right now? I did take a short earlier, but I did get out of my short. But VET, I think, still has room to go lower. I don't want to give you financial advice, but I would take a look to see if you're gonna get into a short. Sorry, I'm gonna go back to CRO right now. This stream is about Vechain, so I'm just gonna answer this real quick. I would see. I would wait for a potential, maybe a retest of here, because we could break out again and retest here again, or retest this level, or even this level. You know what I mean? So I would wait, honestly, and I wouldn't just jump into a trade right now, because that's just my personal opinion. We are getting a little, a little pump, which I've realized is that there's so many of these small little pumps here that they just like to trap buyers here. This coin Vechain. So this is this coin is extremely difficult, but it's easy at the same time coin to trade. If you don't know what you're doing, it's hard to trade. If you know what you're doing, it's easy to trade. But yeah, I would wait to short VET, not just yet. But I do see us retesting the bottom of here. The question is when, I don't know. But we did trap all these buyers here, so maybe I don't see us, but there could be a possibility to retest this trend line here and then go down. But right now it's too hard to tell, and I need to really be focused and look at the chart to give you a clear answer on that. But yeah, back to CRO. Okay, CRO. So if I'm looking at, where was I? On the daily, right? Yeah, guys, as I was saying, this 886 level right here is a sexy area to get into trades. I swear to God. Sorry, I don't swear to God. I take that back. I promise you that this 886 level is an underrated area. Because look, many people, I'm sure, got into this golden pocket. I'm sure bought into the 786, but little do you know, this 886 was the bottom. So pay attention to this 886 level when you're using Fibonacci, because this is an extremely underrated and powerful area to get into trades. But this looks like it's pretty much, clearly, look at this big rejection. How much did it go down from there? Oof, almost 18%. And we're still on a downtrend. So guys, any coin right now is obviously correcting. And if I'm doing a Fibonacci on this second wave, oof, the problem is this might not even be a second wave. This might just be one big wave up. So it's too hard to tell, because this couldn't be the first wave, because we're already in wave 1 territory. So yeah, let's see, let's put it into this perspective. We could see a retracement down to here, even down back to the 886, and kind of create a double bottom and then go up. So that's where I think we are at CRO. Let's see if there's any divergence on the lower time frames. Let's see. It's just, man, when coins go up like this, man, it's too hard to tell, because this was obviously some millionaire, billionaire. But if I look at like the 1 hour time frame, it does look like we're about to have a death cross. So this could mean a lot of downwards momentum. Let's see, 45, 30 minute. Ooh, 30, 45 minute. There you go. There's a death cross. So I do see this potentially, going here or even here. Let's see if we had any reaction on this level. Okay, yeah, we are having some type of reaction here on this 0.382 level. Is this 0.382? Yeah, I believe this is the 0.382 level. Or no, this might be the 0.5 level. I do see some reaction off this 0.5 level here. Reaction. We did break down below here, but we probably hit there you go. We hit a moving average, which is why we bounced. So I do see this as a valid 0.5 fib level, which we aren't holding. We tried to break back above. Now we got a death cross. So I do see us potentially going, this is the next place you want to buy this coin, is in this golden pocket, because I could see a bounce off this 2 hour 200 moving average, and maybe ladder your buys into here. And maybe let's see the 4 hour chart. It might be, maybe even lower. Maybe start laddering your buys from here to here to here. And by the time this goes down, this will be in this area, and this is where you could pick up a potential bottom to have a nice little maybe 15 to 20%, 15 to 20% gain on that if you want to do a trade on that. But I'm not going to really get into this coin that much because it's really hard to tell exactly where it's going up long term. I don't really want to tell you any targets, but that's where I would look at short term. This golden pocket area for a small bounce, play that. But then again, if this does retrace here and Bitcoin is bouncing hard off that 41K level, which this could be that 41K level on Bitcoin, then I would maybe consider targeting something above this as a sell, or even here. So that's my thought on CRO. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna do hot now. Okay, hot. I remember this coin a long time ago. Okay, so hot is definitely in a stage. It looks like kind of like Ethereum. But the problem is with hot right now. This is not looking good. We're near this area, this previous breakout, which is not good. If this doesn't hold, we don't have any support until until this breakout here. We don't have any support. So there, I could argue that there is some support here. I could argue, that there's some support here. So we'll just have to wait and see with this coin right now. But this coin does look like it does have some bearish divergence on the 12-hour. The daily doesn't really say much. The weekly, so on the 12-hour, there's definitely some bearish divergence here. I think that it's going, there's definitely some bearish divergence. As you can see, we made a swing up here, and the RSI is kind of double topped here, maybe a triple top here on this move here. We triple topped, so I could maybe see us going down. Let's see where this is daily. Okay, let's see where this retraced. Okay, I could argue that it retraced here at this 128. This would be the first wave up here. That would make sense. This you could see something like this. Hold on, let me put this up higher and put this down. I would see see, that's exactly what I was saying earlier. Look, this retracement here would literally align up with the golden pocket here. So you could see a wick down here, and maybe we might not even hit the 786. But it doesn't look like, I don't know if this is going to hold, to be honest. Just because Bitcoin has more downwards momentum, and it's dominating all the prices of alts. I could see this not holding here. Maybe trying to hold this 21 EMA, but if it doesn't hold this 21 EMA, I see us probably this 55 is going to go into the golden pocket by then, and we could see a bounce, and we could see a wick down here on the daily. That's what I think about hot. But this does look like first wave here, second wave here, or this honestly could be just one big wave. We could just see this as one big wave here, and then we see actually would be a really nice retracement here, and then we start making our way up. And do we hit 1 cent? Yeah, maybe we hit 1 cent. Maybe there is a possibility we hit 1 cent. Maybe we see something like this, and we see 1 cent. But that's going to take a hot minute. So just letting you guys know that. Yo, if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. We're at 20 likes. Can we get to 30 likes, guys? 30 likes. That'd be great. To be in the world. I'm trying to be the next big YouTuber that actually gives you guys real, fucking legit advice. Well, then again, I'm not giving financial advice, but give you good analysis. And I'm going to teach you guys how to trade. I'm going to teach you guys how to just understand market psychology and understand things that they don't tell you about, because there's so many traders that try and sell you a course. They try and tell you, oh, this is how it's supposed to be, but they don't really teach you the the important things. They just teach you technical analysis and all that other shit. But there's so many more things about trading that you guys don't know. Wow, who just gave me a dislike? Shame on you. But yeah, they don't really tell you anything, to be honest. So yeah. Let's see. Do you want to see it in dollars? Euro? Oh shit, sorry. I did it in dollars. Imran, what's up, brother? What's going on, man? Thanks for joining the stream. Should I short VET right now? Okay, I think I already answered that. VET, where is it right now? Yeah, it's just not in a place that you want to short right now. I told you guys that if you look at a smaller time frame, we might get a retest of this. Look, everything I'm saying is literally happening. I said it before it happened. Look, we might get a retest of here, or this area, or we get a retest of here. And if we do break this, we get a retest of here and a retest of here. So that's what my thing is on VT. Do you see a big triangle forming on Ren? Am I right on the triangle forming? Check when you're free. Okay, let me check Ren. Give me a sec. What is Ren doing? What is Ren doing? What do I see? What I do see on Ren is a massive trend line that I can draw here. And I do see this as, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, no, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, see, the thing with Ren is I do see, because Bitcoin is so dominant and it's probably going to dump, I see Ren maybe going to the golden pocket on this one. But do I see a triangle? I do see a triangle right here. I do see some type of symmetrical triangle right here. But then again, you know, because Bitcoin is not, I don't know, in my personal opinion, is not going up. If you see Bitcoin going down, you're going to see this break down. And the question is, how low will it go? The question is, how low will it go? I could see, okay, so this is where, look, you might see Ren go back down to 57 cents, potentially, here. So I would keep your eyes on Ren. This could be actually an extremely good buy to ladder up, which we're trying to test right now with Ren. We're trying to retest this, or we're trying to hold this previous breakout here, which, man, I don't think that's going to happen. There's not enough volume. The volume's decreasing. So I do see us going, we did hold this temporarily right here, this previous key level. But do I see this holding? Like I said, if Bitcoin goes down, I don't see any of these levels holding, and I see us retesting here, which we could see a retest of this level. Okay, right here, which would literally be anywhere from from here, and this could be 1, 2, 3. I think this is still valid. 4, 5, and then we see A, B, C, A, B. Maybe we see A, B. A, B, C. I don't know. It's too hard. My mind is, man, I've been looking at a million coins a day. But yeah, as I said, I don't really want to get into technicals of this, but these are your key levels that you need to look out for. You need to look out for 96. Okay, if we can't hold 96, we're gonna be dropping down to around 77. Okay, if we can't hold down to 77, then we're pretty much fucked on this coin. That is not that we need to hold 77. But then again, if this is just one huge wave up or 5 waves up, then we could see a retest of 41 cents, which actually, 41 cents, I don't think we're going to get that low. But there is a possibility. There's always a possibility. But do I think we're going to get that low? That's hard to say. That is hard to say. But that would create a higher low, and we would literally blast off if that's the the point. If we do get there. Hodling here, riding the waves, patience and time will pay. Exactly. I agree with you, B. Wilk. I agree with you. Carlo, wouldn't it make sense to sell Vechain right now and buy lower? Yeah. You wanted, if you had held Vechain, you would have wanted to sell at 6 cents. That's where you would have wanted to sell if you were a swing trader. Right now, it depends on where you bought it. But right now, it's more about accumulating and positioning yourself for the next move up. If you're a swing trader or a long-term hodler investor, you want to do a positional trade, which means you want to buy at key areas and start accumulating coins. And then once we're at a high level, which I would say Vechain would probably go around 7 cents, 8 cents, maybe 10 cents. That's where you want to take some of your profits out. You can hold like 25%, but I would recommend taking at least 75% of your bag out of that. And like I said, Vechain right now is looking interesting. I did take a short here earlier. I took a short here. I got out in this area, 408. Where was it? Right here. So I made I got in at 4.2. So I did make a nice 2.85% profit on that trade, but it was obviously a big position. You know, go big or go home in my life. You guys seeing me, I was in a $40,000 position the other day when Binance crashed, but I still made a immense amount of profit on that trade. Which YouTubers do you look? If I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't watch anyone's YouTube videos. The only YouTube videos I watched or have watched is videos that teach me some type of technical analysis, and but I don't really look up to any YouTubers. I don't even follow anyone on Twitter. If you guys are following me on Twitter, I literally don't follow anybody. Only like Elon Musk and whale calls, and like 2 other people that are part of my team. But yeah, what are my top 5 alt picks? Let's see, Vechain, Ripple, 88, Ren, and I would say Litecoin, but I don't know if Litecoin, you can consider Litecoin as an altcoin. It's kind of like a main coin, but if I'm going to be technical with it, then I would say Litecoin. But if not Litecoin, this coin called NPXS. It's called PundiX. That's another coin that I think has a big future, and no one really looks at that coin. But I think PundiX is also another coin that's just going to throw everyone off guard. Make tutorials about graphs. I really want to learn. I'm actually probably going to expand my content soon. Probably when I hit like 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start teaching you guys. I'm going to start teaching you guys more about what I look at and what goes in my mind with the way that I trade. And the way that I trade, I'm going to maybe do a series of, like I said, turning $100 into $1,000, turning 1,000 into 10 into 100, and then 100 into 1 million. That's what I'm going to do, a series of that soon, probably in the next couple weeks. But I'm going to start working on those videos soon. And the thing is, I don't know if I want to, like let's say I turn $100 into $1,000. I don't know if I want to leverage that and show you guys turning that into leverage, because if I'm going to be realistic, man, I need to leverage these positions if I want to make this series go by kind of quick. I don't want the series to take a million years. So I think that, I don't know, maybe I'll do the 100 into 1,000, and do that without leverage. And then after $1,000, I'll probably say, hey, okay, now you have more experience. Now I have more experience. So now I'm going to leverage 1,000 into 10,000, and then 10,000 into 100,000, and then 100,000 into 1 million. Let's see. Can you look at Zill? Guys, I'm sorry to say, I'm kind of like burnt out on looking at charts. I really want to help you guys, but maybe like on my next live stream, I'll probably do a live stream next probably tomorrow or something. So I'll just let me like breathe a little bit and get some just like some recovery, and then I'll definitely do all you guys' coins if you guys join the next live stream. If you guys are new and you guys are returning, make sure you hit my notification button, the bell on my profile, so you guys can see when I'm streaming, because when I'm streaming, you guys will know that I'm on and I can help you guys do any kind of analysis and everything. Tristan, you aren't worried about Ripple's lawsuit? No, I'm not actually. Because I was, the thing about Ripple is I think it's going to be that type of coin that's going to also throw everyone off guard. And I think that it's going to, I hate to say, guys, I think Ripple's going to be a big coin soon, because I was looking at the dark web, and I was looking at Ripple, and I'm seeing things that Ripple is not going to be. It's going to be considered a commodity and not a privacy, and that's big news for Ripple. That's extremely big news for Ripple, because you can see, because of this news, and once Ripple is brought back on exchanges, you could see Bitcoin take an extremely fat dump, and all that money being put into Ripple, because I feel like this whole lawsuit was kind of a distraction to distract retail investors, so all the whales can start accumulating as much Ripple as possible. I think that's my personal opinion. I'm seeing some weird shit on the dark web about Ripple, but I think Ripple, if you have like $1,000 into Ripple now, or when it dips, I think that Ripple can be worth like $500 one day. So call me crazy, but I think it's a real possibility. Also, chat, can you please type out the last coin he said? MPXS, Pundi X. Yeah, look at the chat coming through, listening. It's all good. It's all good. Again, guys, I'm so appreciative of you guys all like joining my streams and watching what I have to say, and just I'm here to help you guys. I'm here to teach you what I know. I've had some like extreme success in literally the last like couple of weeks. I've also had a lot of failures. You know what I mean? And not every trade that I do is successful. I take losses. Some people think that I don't take any losses just because I'm extremely accurate on technical analysis. It doesn't mean I don't take losses. Losing and losing is part of the game. If you don't lose, you don't learn. And if you don't learn, then what the hell are you doing with your life? You know what I mean? Vechain price prediction 2021 is, I don't know, to be honest, 10 cents. I don't want to give you an exact number, but I would say I would say it's maybe 20 to 30 cents, maybe. Just because right now we're not even close. This is the first. We're not even in alt season right now. That's the thing about alts. We're not even close to being in alt season right now. So all these coins you're gonna literally see these coins go up 100, 200, 300x. Okay? This is just the beginning, guys. I enjoyed the content tonight, man. Keep up the grind. Thank you, Tristan. Thank you so much. Thank you. That means a lot. I'm glad I can help you guys, and I'm glad that you guys literally I've had a consistent maybe 20 viewers on my stream, and that means a lot. That's crazy that 20 of you took the time out of your day to watch me, and it just means the world. I'll buy some Ripple, but we need to find out what's happening with Bitcoin. Yeah, I would wait. With Ripple, I would wait. I like I said before, I think Bitcoin is going down to probably 40K, maybe even lower, 38, 30. I told you, if you want to ladder Bitcoin, I would ladder it from 41 down to even 32K just to be safe. What's a good time to buy into Pundi? Oof. I got out of my trade at Pundi at like 30.003. The highest, what did it go out? What was the highest I went to? The highest I went to was 0.33. Let's see. Okay, so with Pundi, oof. See, with Pundi, this literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This looks like a complete fifth wave, 5 waves up. So, let's see. We're getting a reaction off this 0.382 level, which is clear that I'm not holding. So I would start laddering from here. These are, if you, okay, literally the advice that I'm giving you guys, or I hate to say advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm going to say advice in this terminology. But the advice that I'm giving you guys is more of a swing trade. So if you want to swing this, these are areas you want to load up into. But I don't see Pundi maybe going into these levels. The most I see it going into is maybe the golden pocket on this, with this. So it's 0.0014. That's the lowest I see it going. Maybe that's calling it like extremely maybe is 0.0008 maybe, but I doubt that's gonna happen. I don't see that happening, but it could be a possibility. But those are the places you want to ladder up your buys. 1794 is the first area that you want to start laddering for maybe a longer term position. Alt season summertime, I would say alt season, what is it, March, April? Yeah, probably like the end of April or May, I would say, is alt season. Right now we're going to see Bitcoin form a higher low, and it's probably going to consolidate in that area for a bit, and then we blast off. Your channel is the best. Gracias. De nada, amigo. Thank you, man. I'm glad you like my channel. It's crazy. If you think it's the best, man, that means the world. Thank you so much. I'm surprised why you only have 150 subs. Yeah. What's up? Yeah, take it. Yeah, so yeah, with 150 subs, I'm kind of surprised too, but I'm thankful like that I have 150 subs. I mean, I just started YouTube probably like a little bit over 2 weeks ago. So the fact that I have 150 subs is it's crazy. It means a lot. Like it means a lot because one day I want to be able to do this full time and kind of, I told you, get away from the crypto space and just teach people what I've learned and what I know and how I've made some of my money. But I don't want to feed you guys false information and tell you guys that it's going to be easy. Trading, believe me guys, trading is extremely difficult. And I'm still trying to become a better trader, but believe me guys, it's extremely difficult. And you need to just, just constant, like the problem with the internet is there's so much content out there that you can like learn how to trade. But I feel like all this content, most of it is just bullshit. You know what I mean? It's literally just bullshit. Most of the people that feed you this content don't know shit. Like they don't even trade themselves. Maybe they do like swing trades, but they say they're day traders or they're scalpers, but in reality they're not. Trust me, they're really not. Because like I've tried different strategies that these people have told me, and I've had a minimal success of using people's strategies, and until like I've kind of found a strategy by myself, like my own strategy, which I'm going to continue using for the next couple months to a year, 2 years. And if I have an extreme amount of success with it, I'm going to show you guys all this strategy. So until that happens, I'm not going to tell you guys my exact strategy, but I'm going to, once it's proven over and over again, and I have like over, let's say 80% success rate on it, I'm going to share this strategy with you guys for sure. Because I want you guys to be successful, because I know how it feels to have nothing, you know what I mean, and have no money in my pocket. I know how it feels, and it's honestly a really shitty feeling, and I don't wish that for anyone. I wish everyone to have some type of success, and I hope that everyone just becomes extremely successful and financially free buys real estate with those profits, and lives like an amazing life with those profits. That's what I hope with everybody, because at the end of the day, I told you guys I do want to revert this channel into real estate eventually. But yeah, hope you succeed, bro. 1,000 subscribers soon. I hope so. You know, I'm at 150 subscribers. You never know. My channel could blow up anytime, which I'm praying. Share it to all your friends and family. Tell them to subscribe. The more views and the more likes I get on videos, I think the more likes I get on videos, I get, like, YouTube pushes out my content more. So if you guys are watching all my videos that I post, please, 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 the first thing before you watch my video, just hit that like button real quick, and that will definitely push out my content to more people. Which, like I said, my goal in life is to help people. That's literally what I care at. I don't really care about money. I don't care about fame. I don't care about anything really. I just care about helping people. And if I can have money and I can have fame, then that can literally help me literally achieve my dream, which is helping people. You know what I mean? And I really hope that can be a big possibility for me. And I'm praying that happens for me. So yeah, let's see. Most long-term profitable crypto in your opinion? I would say either VET or VTHO. VTHO, this coin here. VTHO. Because it's under a cent, I would see it maybe going to 1 or 2, maybe 3 cents. That's another coin you want to maybe invest into long-term. Vechain. I mean, I already talked about Vechain. I see the long-term maybe going to 10, 20, 30 cents. Maybe $1 one day. Maybe. That's setting standards high. Yo, I got 27 viewers. If you're new, guys, hit that like button. Give me to 30 likes. Come on, give me to 30 likes on the stream. 30 likes. We're at 25 likes right now. Let's see 30. 25. It takes 2 seconds to hit that like button. Come on, guys. 2 seconds. Smash that like button right now. We're still at 25. Don't do me dirty. Come on. Don't do me dirty. Just smash that like button. Ooh. People are being frisky right now. They don't want to hit that like button. It's okay. Let's see. Wow, I'm tasting off. I saw you trade on Skype, bro. You made so many calls right, like 9 in a row, but 1 wrong. That was during our technical analysis. Yeah, bro, we need to get on Skype again, man, so we can so I can do some trades with you, man, and we can practice. Yeah, as you guys see Uden here, Uden. We did some technical analysis, and out of 10 calls, I got 9 right and 1 wrong. You know what I'm saying? So believe me, guys, when I tell you shit, I know my shit. So VT or Vether, same company. VTHO, yeah, it's like they correlate with each other for sure. I'm holding 65k VET coins. Nice. That's really good. Guys, but I'm telling you, if you want a long-term hold on a coin, the only one coin that I say to hold long-term is XRP. That's the only coin. Yeah, I'll give you a like if you give an actual technical. I've been giving technical analysis on VET for the last hour, my friend. I don't want to go back and look at VET again. I already went over it. Like, look, I already went over the different possibilities. If I'm going to sum it up real quick, right now we are in a, man, just for the like, you know what? Just for the like, I'll be nice, okay? Right now we're in a symmetrical triangle, okay? We're in this symmetrical triangle, and we did do a fake out here. We're back into this bigger symmetrical triangle. We are in a smaller symmetrical triangle, which we bounced around, and then we broke out of, and now we're in this bigger symmetrical triangle. I do see a potential retest of this. If that doesn't happen, we're going to retest this trend line. If we don't hold this, we're breaking down and making a massive move down. So that's my quick technical analysis on VET. But if we do break out of here, there is a potential possibility of that we hit this white line or this white line and create a lower high and then go down. There is obviously there's also a possibility of us coming up here and double topping and then going down. So those are my thoughts on VET. But I don't know, this actually could happen, because the thing with VET is I see a lot of whale action here, and this coin is highly manipulated. So I could see people starting to short here, and then VET just skyrocket up here, and then everyone that was shorting gets screwed and gets liquidated, and then we see a huge rise to here, or maybe even here. So I could see that being a possibility. But then again, I'm just waiting. I wait for these big moves, and when I see something coming, I take a position. Let's see. Where was I? Let's see. Guys, don't short VET. There's just about to be released their 2.0 blockchain and haven't released news now for ages. Bro, as this is exactly why I was explaining this. If that is a possibility, we could see VET go to the bottom of this and then break out. But this breakout is not going to be like a reversal, believe me. Especially if Bitcoin is still in a downtrend, this breakout won't be a reversal. So I would note that no matter what type of news is coming out with any coin, you need to remember that news doesn't change the overall trend of the market. Okay. VET makes VTHO. I'll give you a like if you okay. I did that. Yeah, I saw an article on that next month maybe. So if you have 65K, you will have VET too. Just curious if you think VET will hit 425 today. Thanks. Enjoying your 425. I mean, bro, it did hit 425 earlier today, which I did take a short there. Will it hit there again? I mean, I just explained what could happen. We could see here, and the whales could make everyone think that we're dumping, and then they can just push the price up and liquidate all these shorters. So that's the thing about why I don't like crypto, is because these whales are out to just eat you alive. They're really out to eat you alive. So I'd be careful with taking any positions. And that's why I like to do short-term trades and get in and out of positions, because when you see like this, for instance, maybe everyone thought we were going to break down on this here, but look, we just retested and it went up. So I would be careful. But this does look like a triple top here. So we could, man, it really looks like a triple top, but we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated for sure. If anything crazy happens, I'll post a YouTube video. So make sure you have that those notification bells on. VT is gonna blow up in March. Maybe it could. Bro, change your stream to Bitcoin 80. I'm kind of over it. I'm probably done with it soon. You know what? Screw it. I'll do it. What is happening with Vechain? Bitcoin 80. Vechain Bitcoin 80. Any advice for XRP short term, where to buy things? For me personally, I have my buys on under 30 cents. That's all I have to say. Those are my buys for XRP. I think I do have one buy at like 30 cents or 31 cents, 32 cents. But my buys for XRP are a little like in the early 30s to mid 20s. And that is going to be, like I said, a long-term hold, that for sure. Entry points for ADA. I did actually give entry points for ADA. Did I? Yeah. Entry points for ADA would be I would ladder your buys into probably sub 95 cents, 95, 78, 62, or maybe even 68. Those are where I would ladder my buys. And if you even want to, like, if this is more of like a swing trade, then I would even ladder up here at 236, but I don't know. 236 seems a little bit. It's just I don't like that price. 115 is not a good price to get ADA. Anything under $1.80 is good for ADA for me. Technical analysis can account for maybe a max of 50% of big trading jumps. There's no way to predict certain things. Yeah, I agree with you. Technical analysis can help you have an idea of where things might go, but I don't only use technical analysis. I also use price evaluation. I use price action. I use the market psychology. I use I factor in greed. There's a lot of things that I factor into my trades, and that's what kind of separates me from the average trader, because most average traders might just use technical analysis, but I use 5-6 different confluent ideas to help me make a decision on when I want to enter trades. So yeah, bro, I think you're trying to one up me right now, but I don't think it's gonna work, my friend. Why XRP long-term hold? Isn't it in cases? The thing about XRP is I'm pretty sure it's going to be approved as a commodity rather than a security. And I do believe that, man, bro, guys, okay? I don't quote me on this, okay? This isn't financial advice, but I really, 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 really believe that XRP is going to do something that no one expected it to be. I feel like trillions of dollars are going to be dumped into XRP because all the banks and everything are going to get involved, and XRP is like the SWIFT of transactions for banks, okay? And if we do adapt cryptocurrency as a form of payment one day, which we will, XRP, believe me, don't tell me I didn't tell you. Remember this, okay? Remember this live stream. And if you aren't holding XRP, remember, okay? That's it. That's all I have to tell you. Devious one, I give you a like. Thank you, man. I appreciate the like. That like means a lot. I have two dislikes, but it's all good. I get dislikes in every video. Haters gonna hate. It's all good. It is what it is. Do you have your Telegram? I do have a Telegram channel. You guys want to join my Telegram channel? It's not active at all. I created just to create it. But if you guys want to join my Telegram channel, give me 1 sec. I'm going to actually probably be more active in there and start building a community. I'm probably going to have a private Telegram channel as well, which I might have a monthly fee. Just because, as I said, guys, I don't want to be a trader forever. I want to be... I want to branch out into like my own business, and obviously I'm a businessman. I want to make money because I want to help the world one day, and yeah, that's why I might have a premium group. But I'm gonna release this right now on this YouTube channel. So I haven't released this to anybody, guys. But I'm going to release it right now to you guys. But this is just like the free premium channel. So here's a link, guys, if you guys want to join. I'm sending a link right now in the chat. Okay. That is my Telegram channel, guys. It's not active as of now, but it's going to be active very soon. And I'm going to have a premium channel. If you guys are interested in my premium, feel free to shoot me a message on Telegram. I want to like build a community for sure in Telegram. So everyone that's watching, make sure you click that link right there and join my Telegram, because I'm definitely for sure going to start getting that pretty active and giving you guys like more of a technical analysis on most of the coins that I'm trading, and just the market in general and just coins in general, things that I don't give on Twitter. I'm going to give in this Telegram channel. And also, like I said, I'm going to have a premium Telegram channel, which I will literally give way more detailed analysis and my thoughts on certain things. Yeah, I'm not trying to do a premium channel just yet, because the premium channel is just, I don't want to do it yet. I don't really have enough of a following to do that. But I would like to do, the thing is, I would like to just stop trading, I told you before, and just focus on content creating and like technical analysis and all that stuff, and teaching people how to trade. That's what I would like to do eventually. Because like I said, guys, I feel like cryptocurrency and trading is just a thing that you need to try your hardest on, get rich on, and then after you get rich, start investing that money into real estate, and there you are. You're set for life. There's no need to be staring at computers 24 hours a day. And sometimes my mind, believe me, I get overwhelmed with messages and requests, and just trying to be consistent on YouTube and Twitter. It's like, man, it gets overwhelming, like, because majority of the time I'm just staring at charts all day. I don't really want to stare at charts all day. This shit gets annoying as hell. Yeah, I just posted my Telegram link in right here. If you guys can look in the chat, I posted it there. Everyone join my Telegram link. That's what's up. You guys can talk to me personally there, because I don't really talk to that many people. I talk to a few people, but I get quite a lot of messages from people, and a lot of it is like just like, oh, where do you think this price is gonna go? What do you think that is gonna do? And it's like I want to be able to answer everybody, but man, sometimes it gets overwhelming, and that's why I have like a team that I'm working on. It's me and like 5 other people, and we're working on like they're gonna answer your questions as well. They're gonna like, it's not only gonna be me, it's gonna be them. I'm teaching them everything that I know, so they're eventually gonna get on my level of as an analyst, and as a day trader, scalper, or swing trader, they're gonna get on my level. And eventually they'll give you answers. They'll answer your questions, so you can ask them for anything if you need as well. Let's see. When you get to 1,000 subs, yeah, I'm gonna do that for sure. Probably. What price will it be for the private channel? Like, I probably won't do anything too crazy. It'll probably be like, I don't know. It'll probably be a monthly fee of like maybe $20 a month or something like that. And in that group, I'm definitely gonna give you guys like entries, potential entries, and yeah, tell you guys what's going on in the market, giving you guys analysis on Bitcoin and everything that I basically do on my YouTube, but a more detailed version of it. And I'll teach you guys how to trade, probably. Like, I'll do some live trades for you guys, and you guys will see me get in and out of positions. So it'll be some interesting stuff. Tristan, I don't have Telegram, but I'll get it and join it. Yeah, you should, for sure. How can I join the team and learn from you? I'm thinking, so what I'm doing is I'm creating, like what I'm doing right now is I have a team of right now it's me and 3 other people, and we're trying to create this brand. And we're definitely looking for potential investors and people to come into the team potentially as basically an employee, or maybe like a small partner, that could own maybe like 1% equity of the company. Maybe. I'm thinking about it. This isn't for sure, but I'm definitely learning to I'm sorry, I'm trying to read comments at the same time. I'm definitely thinking of getting people involved into Simple Trade, because I want it to be a extremely big success and big organization. So if you are interested in joining Simple Trade and becoming, like, I would say maybe a member, or probably a member, then just feel free to message me on Telegram and we can talk about it. We can maybe get on Discord, we can talk about it and in more detail, and I can see what you have to offer to be part of the team. But I would definitely consider this something that I would totally be open to having maybe 20 people to 30 people into Simple Trade. But then again, I can't guarantee equity into the company, but maybe I could. Maybe I could give you some type of equity depending on what you have to offer and what you bring to the team. So that's my what's going on with Simple Trade. stay away from social media and screen for at least 1.5 whole day in a week. I had negative overwhelming experience, so I took a break. Yeah, I know. Believe me, I know. You're totally right with that. I need to take a break. That's why maybe like I would say maybe once this pullback comes, I'll probably take like a week off of social media. But right now I'm just gonna grind, trying to release as much content as possible. And I definitely need to release some more videos on YouTube. I'm gonna try and expand my coin price analysis. I'll probably do analysis on Bitcoin today and post that on YouTube. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna limit my screen time for sure, because my screen time has been, oh man, it's been too high lately. But yeah, guys, VT right now is trading sideways. Not really. You don't really want to enter a trade when it's trading sideways. Like, I'll give you one tip of sideways movement, why you don't want to get into sideways movement. When you see, if you draw an EMA right here on your volume, this is a 50 EMA on my volume. As long as the price is below this 50 EMA, you need to like maybe not take any trades. But when you see spikes like this, then you could be like, hey, maybe I need to get into a trade. When you see spikes like this, you can get into a short-term trade. When you see spikes, like you saw a big spike here, and you saw a small uptrend, which would have been 1.6%, 1.6% trade. You saw this huge spike of volume, which was this candle here. You could have entered a short, got out. There's many ways to find possibilities to trade. I realize when I take 1 day break, all the things I learned come much more. Yeah, I see. I haven't even took a break, man. I need to take a break. So that saying that, guys, I think that this might be the end of the live stream. I've been live for about 2 hours. Again, if you guys haven't joined my Telegram group, you guys can. I'm gonna post it here again, guys. Oh shit, hold on. I'm gonna post it here again, guys, if you want to join my Telegram group. Shit, actually, never mind. I don't even know if I can copy it. It's not letting me copy it. Hold on. Oh wait. Yeah, I'm gonna post my Telegram group here, guys, again, if you want to join. If you want to chat with me, you can chat with me there when I'm not on YouTube or Twitter, and we can have a chat. So yeah, guys, this is gonna conclude this live stream. I'm a little burnt out. I need to get I had some food here that I didn't even finish. I'm gonna finish this food, and if you guys want to talk to me on Telegram, Discord, I also have a Discord. I'm not really active in it, but I'm gonna start being active on Discord and Telegram. But this is just the beginning. I just started this company called Simple Trade about 3 weeks ago, and this is just the beginning of it. So I hope I can help you guys make some money. So I'll see you guys later, okay? Thanks for joining the stream. Appreciate you all. God bless you guys. Stay safe. Don't get greedy, and enjoy life. Life is too short. Money comes and goes. Don't think so much about the money. Just think about making good trades, doing the right things.